there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the wild world of 3D printing with a showdown between two titans, the AnkerMake M5C and the Asani Mini. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a roller coaster. First up, the all-important price tag. The AnkerMake M5C comes in at a very reasonable $399. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini is priced at $500. So AnkerMake is already $101 ahead in the race. You could almost buy a whole new printer with that extra $100. Or, a lot of ramen. Your call. Now, let's talk about speed and quality. The AnkerMake M5C boasts Power Boost 2.0 technology, hitting speeds up to 500 millimeters per second while maintaining 0.1 millimeters precision. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. On the other hand, Asani Mini is designed for high-precision prints, but doesn't quite specify its top speed. Reviewers have noted that while the AnkerMake M5C is incredibly fast and efficient, the Asani Mini is a reliable performer with great print quality at slower speeds. So if you're in a hurry, AnkerMake's got your back. If you're not, well, maybe you're just really patient or really into Zen. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. AnkerMake M5C offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to control it from anywhere using the AnkerMake app. It's like having a 3D printing butler. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini comes fully assembled with easy auto-leveling, one-touch filament loading, and a 2.4 inches LCD screen. Reviewers love the AnkerMake M5C for its app functionality and easy setup, but they also rave about the Asani Mini's user-friendly design and ease of use, especially for kids. So if you want to print from the comfort of your couch, go with AnkerMake. If you want to get hands-on and maybe involve the little ones, Asani Mini has you covered. When it comes to material compatibility, AnkerMake M5C is a jack of all trades. It can handle PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even PLACF, carbon fiber. That's like having a Swiss Army knife of filaments. Asani Mini, while versatile, is mainly geared towards PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU. Reviewers highlight the AnkerMake M5C's versatility with different materials, making it a playground for those who love to experiment. On the other hand, Asani Mini is praised for its reliability with basic materials, making it perfect for beginners. So if you're planning to experiment with different materials, AnkerMake is your playground. If you're sticking to the basics, Asani Mini's got you. Last but not least, let's talk special features. AnkerMake M5C has 49-point automatic bed leveling, an integrated design for easy installation, and power and filament outage recovery functions. It's like the James Bond of 3D printers. Smooth, reliable, and always ready for action. Asani Mini, however, brings its own flair with a complete starter kit, dual Z-axis rail, and open-source printing capabilities. Reviewers appreciate the AnkerMake M5C's advanced features and reliability, while the Asani Mini is praised for its comprehensive starter kit and ease of use for beginners. It's like the MacGyver of 3D printers, always prepared and ready to improvise. Overall, reviewers find the AnkerMake M5C to be a high-quality, fast, and efficient printer with some minor issues like noise and occasional hardware bugs. It's praised for its versatility and ease of use. On the other hand, the Asani Mini is highly recommended for beginners and kids, offering ease of setup, reliability, and quiet operation. It's seen as a great entry-level printer with excellent print quality. So there you have it, folks. The AnkerMake M5C is a speed demon with wide compatibility and remote control features, perfect for those who want to print fast and from anywhere. The Asani Mini is a compact, user-friendly option ideal for beginners and kids, with everything you need to get started right out of the box. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buy. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.